Hey everyone. So, you know that one time I tried to install Linux Mint on an SD card but it wouldn't boot? Well, this time I'm gonna try and install Arch on a USB stick. And it is currently booting, and I'm actually gonna show you the install process this time since it's kind of boring on Linux Mint because you just press a few buttons. But this one has a CLI interface, which is pretty epic. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to do is run Arch install, so I don't have to manually install Arch Linux myself, because that's an absolute pain. And now it's checking the version. That's cool. Mirrors. Alright, locales. Right, keyboard layout. I don't know why my phone looks so bad. Locale language. Where's British mode? There it is. And bootloader will keep the same. Disk configuration, default partition layout. We'll use the USB stick, put it in ext4. Disk encryption, no. We're gonna leave all this. Actually, I'm gonna change it to that. I'm not gonna set a root password. I'll just create myself a user account. I'm just not gonna have a password on this. And confirm and exit. Profile. Type that, sure. And now, yeah, let's use KDE. Back. And we'll leave all this the same. Yeah, now okay, never mind, it looks like I have to put a password on my user account. Yes. Right, confirm and exit. There we go. Now we can hit install and it'll do a bunch of epic coding stuff. Okay, finally done. Skip this. Yay, it says you may now reboot. Now let's go down here. Remove the disk, force unmount. And now we can, hang on. Now we can reboot. And it should work. Could not read from the boot medium. Off to a great start. Is the device connected? Okay, well that's lovely. So let's try it on the 17-year-old laptop. Okay, here's the 17-year-old laptop with no flipping boot menu. The USB port is there. Let's turn it on and see if it boots into Arch. Oh, let's go, it actually works. Arch Linux. Loading Linux. Loading initial RAM disk. Might be a bit slow just because this laptop is so old. And it might not work because Arch is 64x and this laptop is 86x. Recovering journal. Now my knees are getting uncomfortable, I'm gonna sit down. Hurry up. Well, this is looking like another situation of let me pause the recording until it does something. Hang on a minute, can I type here? Okay, yes I can. It doesn't seem like this is working. So I'm going to... Yeah, now it's just in the Linux command prompt. Well, let's shut that down. Now I did think that might happen, but at least now we know that it works. So let's open my brother's laptop and open the boot menu. There we go. Is it this one? Oh yeah, it would be in here, wouldn't it? Right, I might change the BIOS boot order. Now let's move this up, move this up, save changes in Xnet, yes, and then it should boot into Arch if it works properly. Oh, this is Windows, damn it. Turn it on again and then see if it works. Okay, no, this is Windows again. Well, thank you for watching this extra waste of time of a video. Hopefully you enjoyed it more than I did.